प्रशान्तात्मा विगतभिः ब्रह्मचारिव्रते स्थितः मनसंयम्य मच्चित्तः युक्त आसीत मत्परः. The minute you start developing that discipline of bringing the mind back to the assigned task, the mind gains a certain focus. When it gains a certain focus, then it gains a certain depth also. So this is the way you begin to discipline your mind. Okay. What is very important, which is very useful, is that once the mind gets a certain focus and depth, that itself will give you the capacity to look into all the past behaviors and orientations that seem to control you without your even knowing about it. The same mind can be used to revisit my deep inside value systems. What could be those value systems which are not very self-enhancing? Most of the time, somehow, in some way or the other, we carry some guilt from the past. We carry some hurt in the past. We feel not being loved. We feel that the world is inimical to us. So these are all the belief systems which are lying deep inside. And what we have learnt now is the fact that everything, the results are coming according to the order. So that results are coming according to the order remains a certain understanding, but my past behaviors where I blame the world also remains at the same time. So I have to bring back this hurt or guilt of the past and re-understand it with reference to what does it mean when I understand that everything is according to the order. Then I release myself from the guilt. I am compassionate towards myself. I also begin to understand that the other person could be behaving out of some non-understanding, but I need not hold on to that hurt. So I free the other person. I in fact free myself of feeling of hurt. And this is way, one by one, I look into every belief that I have been holding, which makes me a limited individual, looking at the world in a distorted manner, in a highly limited manner, and I free myself of each of these problems individually. And this can be done only by bringing certain teaching into my looking into my behaviors. So this is what Lord Krishna is saying. He's saying, Mat Chittaha. How will I free myself of all this guilt? I need to bring back the teaching which makes me accept myself, accept my role in the whole universe, accept different people, in light of understanding that all that is happening according to one grand order. And in that understanding, I basically free myself. So therefore, a very important aspect of this meditation is bringing in the teaching in your mind when your mind has gained a certain depth and reorienting the deep lying emotions and somehow feelings that are interfering in your way of expressing yourself in a compassionate, in a mature, as a responsible human being. So this is exactly what is being talked about, that you need to be quiet, so that unless you're quiet and you're operating from certain depth, you will not be able to revisit all these deep lying emotions. Okay? And then Vigata Bihi. That is the time that you're able to free yourself from all different kinds of fear. It can be your fear, it can be your anger, it can be your hurts, it can be your guilt feelings. All of this can be looked into and released. Okay? And in order for you to do that, you need certain discipline. brahmachari vrate sthitaha. You need to be a disciplined person. You need to be a focused person. And the way through which you release yourself is by bringing in the teaching. Matparaha, matchittaha. Okay, so the commitment is to understanding the reality, and one of the realities of existence is the fact that everything that is here happens because of certain reason. And in light of seeing that order, which is very grand, which is very big, you free yourself of all the limiting feelings that you have been carrying so that you can express yourself as a mature, responsible human being. So this is a very important part of your learning, because otherwise there seems to be two parallel persons. One, the person who understands intellectually, and the other person who continues to behave in a limiting manner because one's past beliefs keep on interfering in one's choices. One needs to fill the gap, and meditation helps you to achieve that. प्रशान्तात्मा विगतभीः ब्रह्मचारिव्रते स्थितः मनसंयम्य मच्चित्तः युक्त आसीत मत्परः.